Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the action button to open calculator in this device. For this open settings, then tap on the option action button, then swipe left. Okay, here you will get some option controls. You can see controls. Then from here tap on the option choose a control, and from here you need to select the option calculator. Now you can see quickly access your favorite control. Now the calculator is selected. Now press and hold the action button. Now you can see simply the calculator is opened. Again I will show you. So here I am going to turn or close the window. Now again press and hold the action button. Calculator is enabled. So simply in this way you can set the action button to enable the calculator in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.